guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be showing you how to draw this cute storm cloud. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any medium of your choice. Let's get started. First, we're going to draw the cloud shape by drawing these curved bumps. You can draw as many as you want or follow mine exactly. It doesn't have to be perfect because all clouds are different. Okay, we're done with the outline of the cloud. Next, let's give him a face. Draw a circle for the right eye here, and then the same size circle for the left eye. Draw 2 circles inside each eye in the top left corner. Then color in each eye black. Now, draw a curved line on the outer corners of each eye. Draw a U shape in the middle between the eyes for a smile. Lastly, let's add some raindrops and a lightning bolt to show this cloud's stormy side. I'm going to draw 4 teardrop shapes underneath the cloud on the right side. Now to the left of the raindrops, let's draw a lightning bolt. And that's it for the drawing. Now let's quickly color it. Done. That's it for this cute storm cloud. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.